Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into the exact Gmail account you'll back up. This ensures permissions and labels match. Once signed in, open Google Takeout and immediately deselect everything except mail unless you need more data. Choose the mailbox format and label settings, then pick an export file type and archive size so large accounts split into manageable chunks. Make sure to select a delivery method like download link or add to drive. This determines how you retrieve the archive later. Now you configure the export specifics to control scope and size. First, decide whether to export all mail or only certain labels. Exporting labels reduces clutter and speeds download. Next, choose Zip for broad compatibility or TGZ for Unix systems and set an archive size that avoids timeouts on your connection. Once done, select a delivery option. Selecting Drive or Dropbox can save bandwidth since files go straight to cloud storage. After confirming, start the export and wait for the preparation step to finish. When the archive is ready, you'll get a download link or find it in the cloud destination. Download and verify integrity by checking file size and sample messages. Once verified, import the Mbox into a mail client like Thunderbird or Store, it encrypted to protect privacy. If you hit errors, retry with a smaller archive size or switch delivery methods. Sometimes using Drive instead of email works. One key troubleshooting tip: enable two-step verification and ensure app passwords if using non-Google clients during import.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.